Welcome to Long English Story, where you learn real American English through emotional and natural conversations. Today's story is about a young man and a young woman whose lives unexpectedly cross after a simple mistake turns into a life-changing journey. In this story, you will hear real-life American-style conversations that include emotions, humor, confusion, kindness, and a little mystery. The language is simple, so you can easily follow and improve your English listening and speaking skills. We will experience how two strangers meet in a busy city, how a lost wallet becomes the reason for trust, misunderstanding, and connection, and how small moments can change everything. So, relax, listen carefully, and try to understand the expressions, pauses, and natural American phrases used in daily life. Let's begin a journey where one small accident leads to an unforgettable story of connection and emotions.
Hey, excuse me. I think I left my wallet here on this table. Did you see it?
I just sat down, but I didn't see anything when I came. Maybe someone took it.
Oh, no. That wallet has all my cards. I'm seriously worried right now.
Calm down, let's ask the barista together. Maybe they picked it up for safety.
Yeah, okay. Sorry, I'm just a little stressed. Today is already a bad day.
I understand. Losing something important can really mess up your mood fast.
I was just checking my emails and suddenly I got distracted and left.
Happens to everyone. Don't blame yourself too hard. We'll try to find it.
Hey, I think I saw a black wallet left near the window seat earlier.
Yes, that's mine. Oh, thank God. I can breathe again now.
See, I told you, we'd find it. Sometimes panic makes things feel worse than they are.
Honestly, I thought it was gone forever. I really appreciate your help.
No problem. I just didn't want you to panic alone in a coffee shop.
That's kind of you. Most people would just ignore it and keep eating.
I don't like seeing people stressed, especially over something fixable.
So, do you come here often, or was today just random for you?
I come here after my college classes. It helps me relax and study.
That's nice. I work nearby, so I usually grab coffee before office.
You seem like a busy person, always running around, right?
Yeah, but today I learned I should slow down a little.
By the way, I'm Mia. Nice to meet you officially.
I'm Jake, and honestly, this is not how I expected to meet someone today.
Meeting someone because of a lost wallet is definitely not normal.
But it kind of makes a funny story, right?
Yeah, like a movie scene where everything starts with chaos.
I like your vibe. You're calm, even in small drama situations.
I just think life is too short to panic over every little thing.
That's actually a good mindset. I should learn that from you.
Maybe coffee is teaching both of us something today.
Or maybe this coffee shop is more important than we think.
So, what do you do in your office?
I work in marketing, mostly dealing with deadlines and emails all day.
That sounds stressful. I study psychology. People's minds are my interest.
Then you're basically reading my stressed brain right now.
Maybe a little. You look like someone who overthinks a lot.
Guilty. I always imagine worst-case scenarios first.
That's common, but it doesn't help you feel better.
I know, but breaking the habit is hard.
You just need better balance, like coffee breaks and fresh air.
Maybe I needed this conversation more than I needed coffee.
You're making me curious now. What kind of life do you really want?
Honestly, I want peace, not just success and stress every day.
That's a deep answer for someone I just met.
Losing my wallet made me realize how fragile everything feels.
Or maybe it made you slow down enough to think clearly.
Yeah, maybe that's the real lesson here.
Life always sends small signals. We just ignore them.
You talk like you've experienced a lot.
Let's just say life taught me early lessons.
I think I'm starting to understand you already. Can I ask you something personal?
Depends on the question. Go ahead.
Why were you so willing to help a stranger like me?
Because kindness doesn't need permission. It just happens.
That's rare these days. Most people avoid involvement.
I believe small actions can change someone's entire day.
You definitely changed mine already.
I just returned a wallet, not saved your life.
But it feels bigger than that to me.
Maybe you're just emotional today. Do you want to sit and finish your coffee now?
Yeah, I don't want this conversation to end quickly.
That's a strange thing to say to someone you just met.
True, but it feels comfortable talking to you.
Comfort usually takes time, but okay, I'll accept that.
So, tell me something interesting about you.
I love observing people in coffee shops. Every person has a story.
And what story do you see in me?
A person who needs to slow down and breathe.
That sounds accurate, unfortunately. I think I should thank you properly. Maybe dinner sometime?
That escalated quickly, don't you think?
Maybe. But I don't like leaving things unfinished.
Dinner is a big step for a wallet situation.
Or maybe it's not about the wallet anymore.
You're very straightforward. I'll give you that.
I don't like pretending or hiding intentions.
That's rare. I respect honesty.
So, is that a yes or a no?
Let's start with coffee again tomorrow.
You just turned my dinner offer into another coffee meeting.
Coffee is safer than dinner for new stories.
Fair enough, I'll accept your rule.
Good. No pressure. Just simple conversations.
I like simple more than complicated relationships.
Most people say that, but don't follow it.
I want to be different.
We'll see if actions match words.
Challenge accepted.
That sounds like a dangerous promise. It's getting late. I should head home now.
Can I walk you? It's safer that way.
You're acting like we've known each other for years.
Maybe it feels like that already.
That's fast emotional development.
Life doesn't always follow slow time.
True, but I still like taking things step by step.
Then let's walk step by step.
Okay, but just as friends for now.
That's a good start.
So, what do you usually do after work?
Mostly go home watch random videos, repeat life.
That sounds a bit lonely.
It is, but I got used to it.
You shouldn't get used to loneliness.
Easy to say, hard to change.
Not if you start meeting new people.
Like this unexpected meeting?
Exactly like this.
Then maybe fate is working overtime?
Do you believe in fate?
I didn't before today. Now I'm not sure.
That's a safe answer.
I just don't want to sound crazy.
A little mystery is fine in life.
Then maybe this meeting is not random.
Or maybe it is, and we're just overthinking.
Either way, I'm glad it happened.
That's the first honest thing you said today.
I will try.
We're here. My apartment is just over there.
Okay, I guess this is goodbye for today.
Don't sound so dramatic. We'll meet again.
You're confident about that?
I feel like we didn't finish the conversation.
That's true. It still feels incomplete.
Then tomorrow, same coffee shop?
I'll be there.
Don't lose your wallet again.
I'll try my best.
You actually came.
I said I would, didn't I?
Most people don't keep small promises.
I'm not most people, hopefully.
Let's see if that stays true.
So, what's today's topic?
Today, we talk about dreams.
I dream of a peaceful life.
That's a good dream.
What about you?
I want to travel and understand different people.
That fits your personality perfectly.
You're learning me to fast.
Maybe I pay attention better now.
Or maybe you're just interested.
Maybe both.
That's a dangerous combination.
Why dangerous?
Because feelings start growing quietly.
Maybe that already started.
You just said something bold.
I usually don't, but with you, it feels easy.
Easy doesn't always mean right.
But it feels real.
Real things can still be complicated.
I don't want complications.
Then be careful with emotions.
I'll try dua.
Trying is not enough sometimes.
Then I'll do better than try.
I have a confession.
That sounds serious.
I checked your wallet details yesterday.
Wait, why?
I wanted to return it properly if I found you.
So you already had my number?
Yes, but I waited for the right moment.
That's both smart and scary.
I prefer careful over careless.
I understand that now. So you could have contacted me anytime.
Yes, but I didn't want to seem strange.
Meeting in person was better then.
I thought so too.
I'm glad you didn't text first,
Why?
because this feels more real.
I agree. Face-to-face matters.
It always changes everything.
Sometimes in unexpected ways. Tomorrow I might be busy, just so you know.
I'll wait anyway.
You're stubborn.
Maybe, but consistent.
That's a better word.
So, are we friends now?
I think we're something between strangers and friends.
That's a complicated category.
Life is rarely simple.
True.
One day, this story will feel like a memory.
I hope it becomes a good memory.
It already is starting to be.
I'm glad I lost my wallet that day.
That's the strangest sentence I've heard.
But it's true.
Sometimes loss brings unexpected things.
Like meeting you.
Maybe fate had a small plan after all.
And we just followed it.
The lesson of this story is simple. Stay open to new moments, because even the smallest situation can change your life forever. Kindness, honesty, and patience can turn strangers into something unforgettable. Thank you for watching Long English Story. If you enjoyed this story, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Long English Story for more emotional and engaging English learning stories.